Today we're doing lower control arm on Ford Explorer 2012 to 15, I think it is. What we're gonna do is get a stretch like that, and then you're doing it like this, like that, and then you ratchet so it doesn't move like that back and forth. So what you do is take those two balls on the bottom, and then that one right there, that one, and then the bottom one right here. So what I did is so you put the jack stand right here, and then one right there. So what you do is get a piece of wood like that, and then put it right here, and then jack it up, and then you start loosening those two bolts right there, and that one right there, right there. So what you need is 21 for this side, and it's 15 right there for the bottom one, because it has two different size. So what you do is get an adjustable wrench and put it right there, and then you loose it on the bottom, and you do the same thing on the other one. And so what you do is once you take that out, what you do, just loosen on the bottom, and then you take it like that to this side, push it down and push it like right here. And once you're gonna put the new one, start right here on that side, and bring it down so you can go and put the first one right here, and then so what I did is I did the last one in here. Last bolt, I put it right there. Just jack it up with the jack, and I couldn't record when I was take it out, because I didn't know my phone was not recording. But I don't know if you're gonna understand what I did. So you lose that one, that ball, and then those two from the bottom is 15, and then that's, I believe, is 18. So, but if you don't have 18, so you can use adjustable wrench. So I hope you understand my video, but I couldn't record how to take it out and put it back. Thank you.